What's the best way to approach saws? While maintaining a neutral spine translates to more functional movements, I generally coach clients to perform this movement by first hollowing the core, because even the slightest weakness or instability near the lumbar curve can create pressure or discomfort in the back. Let me explain. The spine has three natural curves, and when prone or in a plank, the midmost area of our body between our points of contact is near the hips and lumbar. Imagine a rope or suspension bridge. The majority of the weight is being held at the center. An arch bridge would have the weight more evenly dispersed and largely supported from underneath. By hollowing the core, closing the ribs down with a posterior pelvic tilt, we can mirror carrying the load like that of an arch bridge, which will keep tension on the front and keep pressure off of the back. Performing a saw is simply separating our points of contact and creating more tension in our bridge, then bringing the points closer to reduce tension. Because the focus isn't any particular stretch shortening cycle, don't worry about reps. Focus on time under tension. Take it slow.